आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले, छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर, खोल दे पर,
Hi everybody, my name is Balraj Tavanandi and I am a GET working at Reliance Industries in drilling and completion, and currently I have passed out in the year 2025 from MIT WPU Pune, and after joining Reliance it has been a great journey transversing myself from my college days out into the corporate world. And looking at myself in college, it feels like there was a gap in between my theory and practical knowledge, and Reliance having taken this step and initiative to having sent all of us GETs back here to Global Skill Park, which is in Bhopal, has been nothing less than an absolute fantastic step. This training has been very quintessential to our understanding for practical knowledge, where we learned great many things about electrical, mechatronics and mechanical, and it has given us a great many insights into how things actually work and have given us a great exposure when it comes to hands-on training. Recently, we had a mechatronics class where we deconstructed and constructed back a double reduction gearbox. Not having done that in my life, it was my first experience and it was a great amount of fun, where we learned a lot of things in all three branches. And I feel like this training is not only going to help me understand and enhance my practical knowledge, but also give me a lot of self-confidence that's going to help me work in my corporate life. Lastly, I would like to thank Reliance Industries and Global Skill Park Bhopal for having given us the opportunity to come here and have this 3-week training course, which will not only give us a lot of confidence, but will also help us understand and believe in ourselves as to we can do things when we want them to do, and give a lot of self-motivation. Thank you.
Hi, I am Manikanda Nishant. I am currently GET from Exploration and Production in Reliance Industries Limited, currently posted in RCP, Navi Mumbai. So as a fresher from mechanical engineering, joining in this company made me a little anxious, especially how to convert the knowledge which I know to the valuable output. So for that, the missing link was the skill which I lacked, I feel. But walking into GSP, I was expecting to learn the skills which I can apply in the industry to add value to the industry as well as to myself. So for the past 3 weeks, we have been trained in different departments like mechatronics, mechanical and electrical. So in mechanical, I was able to revisit the topics not just on the board but in action. Also in electrical, I just thought it's just wires and components, but after coming here, I got to learn a lot more than that, especially how to work on motor starters and different aspects of safety components. So, and also in mechatronics, we were able to visit to hydraulics lab and instrumentation lab, where I was able to understand more sensors which I never seen in my college also. So this opportunity given by GSP is really valuable. I would like to thank GSP team and as well as Reliance Industries for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Priyanka Sahu. I did my BTech in Electrical Engineering from NIT Raipur and working as a GT in Reliance Industry, posted in CBM Shahdol. We are here to gain the hands-on experience and fulfill the gap between the theory and the practical knowledge about the electrical and the mechanical system which is available in our industry or in the field. As our training started from the 3rd of the November, we have been through electrical, mechanical and the mechatronics classes. In the first of week, we learn about the mechatronics classes, where we learn hydraulic, pneumatic and the various sensor, how it works, where we use this all sensors and all. In the second week, we have the mechanical lab, where we seen the different measuring instrument like screw gauge and the vernier caliper, and we learn how we design the mechanical system in CAD. and different walls which we used in the industry. And the third week we learned about the electrical systems like VFD, how where we use it, and the different starters of motors. And the overall my experience was really great, and I would like to thank GSP and the Reliance Industry to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
खोल दे पर खोल दे पर खोल दे पर रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी
Hello everyone, I'm Amulya. I'm from KGD6 Kakinada, working as a petroleum engineer. So long I've been with KGD6 in 3 months, and currently in this SSR GSP for the training session. It was pretty immense and very worthy session in SSR GSP for us. As a petroleum engineer, we can't even have an equipment opened in open industry. So having the equipment opened and we have assembly and disassembling in over here is very pretty awesome experience and hands-on which we got till now.
Hello everyone, I am Rahul Sharma. I have recently joined Reliance Industries Limited, Exploration and Production as graduate engineer trainee. Firstly, I am thankful to Reliance Industries Limited for providing this immersive experience at SSR GSP Bhopal. The overall training program has helped me to understand the cross-functional domain which are required to excel in my career. The mentors, volunteers have greatly assisted us to achieve the objectives. I am thankful to the entire SSR GSP team for making this objective accomplished. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ashish Advani and I am currently working as a petroleum engineer at KGD6 Kakinada. So I along with my teammates came to SSR GSP for a 21-day cross-domain training, and I found this place a very interactive place where dedication, innovation as well as creativity comes together. I found it a very innovative and a kind of applicable thing where it helped in bridge gapping between the industrial as well as the academic differences.
Hello everyone, I'm Sindhuja. I've been sent here by Reliance Industries Limited. I'm from Kakinada plant KGD6. I would say my experience as GSP has been very novel. I worked hands-on with several equipment and sophisticated instruments here at GSP. And as someone from chemical engineering background, I would say my experience here has been very novel. I feel a lot more confident about my understanding in domains such as electrical, mechatronics and mechanical. And I'm very confident that I'll be able to carry forward all my learnings back into work and also my everyday life as well. So I would like to thank everybody at GSP and as well as Reliance who worked very hard to make this happen. I'm truly grateful for this experience. Thank you very much.